Are you tired of having a cluttered inbox and struggling to keep track of unread emails? Well, you're in luck because I'm here to show you a quick and easy way to mark a chat as read on Gmail on your PC with the new update. First, open up gmail.com on your web browser. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to your inbox where all your emails are listed. Now find the email you want to mark as read. Once you've located the email, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice a few icons pop up next to the email. Look for the envelope icon, which signifies marking the email as read. Click on the envelope icon, and voila! The email is now marked as read. It's as simple as that. No need to open the email and manually mark it as read anymore. By quickly marking your emails as read, you'll be able to keep your inbox organized and stay on top of important conversations without feeling overwhelmed by unread emails. So, next time you see that little unread email notification staring back at you, remember these simple steps to mark it as read with just a few clicks. And that's it. You're now a pro at marking emails as read on Gmail on your PC. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.